So in my last video, I showed you some of the 10 megabit Ethernet fiber optic equipment, and I complained that I had never seen a 10Base-FB device, and that is now different. And this is kind of interesting because this is the first piece of equipment that I bought that actually came in its original packaging. And if I'm right, I don't think this has ever been used before. So this is a LAN ART 10Base-FB transceiver. So I'm going to open it here, and so this has ST connectors like everything else. So yep, there it goes, comes out. And I haven't tried plugging this in yet. I haven't tried doing anything with it yet. It's got a couple of dip switches on the end, and this is a 10Base-FB. So LAN ART. It looks like it's got some indicator LEDs here. So after I plug it in, I'll know more about it. So far, I have not done that. There's where the dip switches are. So it's got an SQE test, which I need to make sure I turn off. And the second dip switch is not used. I love the not used. It's like, hey, we'll just put it in case we need it someday. Oh, we never needed it. All right, there you go. And this is a neat one. It actually came with an instruction manual. So pretty cool. So this is the LAN ART Ethernet 10Base-FB micro transceiver EBT1101. And if you look at the box, there's other things. And I guess it even came with other fiber optic connections. So FC, if I remember right, is a screw-on fiber optic connector. I've only ever seen that when I was working with some OTDR equipment in the early 90s. And SMA, I don't even know what it is. I guess I could Google it and find out. But this says was revised in August 1996, so this would probably be a late one, because by 1996, 100Base-FX and 100Base-TX were out. So this is probably one of the later ones made. So anyway, here you go. So neat. I've got I think I've got the whole collection of 10 megabit fiber optic equipment now. And next step is to actually connect it and see if it works. Thanks.